Hello everyone, this is Reeshema Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how you doing this beautiful day? If you're like me, you might be just a little bit tired, but I am not too tired to give you the weekly update of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. So let's start off with the weekly job board. Here is just a very small list of all the great career opportunities that are available in the area. Check them out. Now, we also have several companies who are looking for talent like you today. So why don't you check out their flyers? Now, if you saw a particular job that you want more information, or you want to check out an employer that's listed and you want to see if they have a vacancy for the skills you possess, we encourage you to visit, what's the website? That's right, NCWorks, and the website is www.ncworks.gov. You can search by employer, you can search by location. It's going to give you all the information you need to apply for that job. Now, in your job search, this is how I can tell where you're at in your job search. If you're applying for a bunch of jobs, whether it's an application or resume, and nobody's calling you, it means you have not tailored your application or resume to a job description. Now, if you are tailoring it and you're getting to the interview table, but they're not calling you back, it means you're doing something in the interview that's causing them to think that you're not going to be a great part of their team. So again, a bunch of resumes, no job, you're not tailoring it. A bunch of interviews and nobody's hiring you because you're doing something in an interview. And it is great to have folks like us, career advisors, who can assist you to get you to that job offer. And that's the reason why we're hosting all these different workshops. So those career fairs, those hiring events, you can be successful and guess what? Get that career that you're looking for. Now, speaking of workshops, this week we have 2 different workshops taking place. First, this Thursday, from 3 to 5 at the Havelock Public Library, we're going to be hosting the Resume One-on-One Workshop. Again, be the best 2 hours you can invest in yourself. Then Friday from 9:30 to 10:30, in part of the Marketing You series, we're going to be covering interview essentials. Again, you do not want to miss it. These workshops are to equip you to turn that job fair into a job offer. Please don't miss it. Go ahead and get registered today. Now, in summary, we covered the weekly job board. Again, very small list of all the great career opportunities here in the local area. We also cover several companies who are looking for talent like you. So you want to check them out. And we also gave you some tips on, where you're at in your work search. Whether you're applying for a bunch of jobs and nobody's calling you, you're not tailoring your application or your resume. Or you're getting interviews, but they're not calling you back for a job offer, it's because you're doing something in your interview. Either way, we have workshops all over the state of North Carolina, and these are free workshops to empower you to get that job offer, okay? So again, reach out to your local career center. Those here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico, we're here for you. We got so many different workshops taking place. So again, thank you for watching. Take care, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.